So what you guys are hearing now, I just got off the fan. Just got off the fan. I just got off the phone speaking with Pam. As soon as I hanged up, they started with the sirens. That's what you're hearing there now. Okay. I mean, they're like literally, they're just waiting. Okay. At this point, they just waiting outside. And every time I make a phone call, now they stop and they realize. I guess they realize I'm recording now. Almost a minute past. Okay, so for 2 minutes, almost 2 minutes. All right. Anyway, welcome to another video of the Target Individual Program, Target Individual Experience. So, like I said, got up not too long ago, and again, they have the neighbor upstairs banging, knocking on the floor. As soon as I got up, okay, so on the heavy remote monitoring, and as well as surveillance. Okay, and yeah, just had to do a video just to show you guys and let you guys hear. I really can't show you, but I can let you hear. You know, the nonsense that I have to deal with daily basis, and you wonder why I can't concentrate. Why? That's one of the reasons why. And the neighbor knocking on the floor upstairs, plus the microwaving that's happening, plus the migraine headaches, plus just exhausted from the pain of the headaches, right? But they'll continue to do it, and I continue to record, and I continue to expose what it is that they're doing. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video.